SANCO nebingahambisani nohulumeni wobambiswano ofaka phakathi iqembu iDA, ithi isinqume ukwamukela lobu budlelwano ibeke phambili abantu.
We seek peace as SANCO. As earlier on, General Secretary indicated that the communities don't want to involve them in politics, they demand service delivery. We are sure that this kind of arrangement will work.
Le nhlangano ithi kodwa izokubheka ngelokhozi ukusebenza kwabo bonke abaqokelwe ezikhundleni ngaphansi kahulumeni wobambiswano. Ikubeke kwacaca ukuthi angeke ikubekezelele ungenzi kahle kongqongqoshe noma ngabe babuya kuliphi iqembu.
They must not use the GNU as an excuse for bad performance, regardless of whichever political party a minister, deputy minister, or MEC is from. SANCO NEC commits itself to assessing their performance without fear or favor.
Ithokumqoka njengamanje ukuthi iGNU isebenzele bonke abantu baseNingizimu Afrika.
Communities do not care which political party a government leader comes from. They just want better delivery.
Igcizelele ukuthi amaqembu ombusazwe kumele acubungule kabanzi ukuthi kungani izigidi zabantu baseNingizimu Afrika zingavotanga okhethweni lwangonhlaba. Lesi sexwayiso silandela esinye futhi esikhishwe iCOSATU emasontweni edlule mayelana nokusebenza kahulumeni wobambiswano.